Here with the next part of the scene, Act 1, Scene 2. Here Narissa is asking Portia about the nephew of the Duke of the Saxony, and he has come from the Germany, and let's see what Portia thinks about him. Portia is saying very wildly in the morning. To me, he is very bad in the morning when he is sober. In that case, he is not drunk. Sober means the state of person when someone is not drunk. And most widely in the afternoon. And he is worse than his morning state in the afternoon when he is drunk. दोपहर को जब वो पिए रहता है ना, तब तो मुझे सुबह से भी बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लगता है, वो ख़राब लगता है, ये कहती है पोर्शिया. When he is best, he is little worse than a man. The best quality Portia has found in him that he is just below than a man. It means he could not achieve the total humanitarian quality in him. उसका सबसे अच्छा मतलब रूप, अच्छा फॉर्म क्या है कि बस वो इंसान बनने के थोड़ा सा नीचे ही है. तो ये भी एक बुराई ही कर रही है पोर्शिया उससे. And when he is worst, he is little better than a beast. And the best form that he can achieve, he is worse than a beast. तो nothing can be bad than this. इससे बुरा हो क्या सकता है पोर्शिया के लिए. हर इंसान का अच्छाई बुराई, हम किसी इंसान की अगर हमें अच्छाई जाननी है तो सबसे पहले तो उसे एक इंसान ही होना होगा ना. उसके बाद हम उसकी अच्छाई जानेंगे कि हाँ वो कितना अच्छा है इंसानों में. पर यहाँ वो इंसान के कैटेगरी में ही नहीं घुस रहा है, वही है उसका सबसे अच्छा फॉर्म. तो मतलब पोर्शिया एक तरह से उसकी यहाँ बेइज्जती ही कर रही है, या फिर कह सकते हैं कि वो कितना बुरा होगा पोर्शिया की नज़र में वो. और जहाँ तक बुराई की बात है तो एक इंसान को हम लोग कहते हैं वो एकदम जानवर है, मतलब सबसे बुरा. और यहाँ पोर्शिया कह रही कि वो जानवर का कैटेगरी भी पार कर गया है, वो है उसका सबसे एकदम वर्स्ट फॉर्म. तो अब समझ सकते हैं कि हाउ मच पोर्शिया डिसलाइक्स हिम. तो हिज वर्स्ट form is that he is more than a beast, and his best form is that he is little less than human being. I hope I shall make shift to go without him. I wish if I have to marry somehow, then I will manage to go without him. पोर्शिया कहती है कि अगर मान लेते हैं किसी भी तरह से शादी करना भी पड़े ना मुझे, मैं तो भाई इससे बिना शादी के ही रह जाऊंगी. Now Nerisha, you can see in the picture, if you should offer to choose and choose the right casket, you should refuse to perform your father's will. If you should refuse to accept him, then here Nerissa is saying, suppose there is a condition. If he chooses the right casket, and in that case you refuse him to marry, then you are disobeying your father's will. नरिसा कहती है मान लो वो राइट कैस्केट चुन लेता है और उस केस में तुम बोली कि हम इससे शादी नहीं करेंगे, मतलब तुम अपने पिताजी के जो भी शर्त रखा है मतलब उसको मानने से इनकार कर रही हो ना, विच इज़ अ सिन, जो एक पाप है. तब यहाँ पोर्शिया एक उपाय निकाली है. Therefore, for fear of the worst, I pray thee, set a deep glass of Rhenish wine on the contrary casket. Contrary casket माने wrong casket है ना. For if the devil be within and what temptation without, I know he will choose it. तो यहाँ कह रही है को so what should you do Nerissa, so that the unfortunate thing may not fall on me. So I want to save myself. I want to save myself from that unfortunate thing. So what you will do, you will just put a Rhenish wine in a wrong casket. As we know that he is a drunkard, वो तो पियक्कड़ है, पूरी तरह से एकदम माताल है वो. तो पोर्शिया कह रही है कि तुमने एक रॉन्ग कैस्केट में एक रेनिश वाइन रख देना, और वो देखना उसका गंध मिलेगा, वही कैस्केट चुनेगा वो. तो हियर पोर्शिया इज फाइंडिंग आउट एन आइडिया टू गेट रिड ऑफ that suitors. She is telling that idea to Nerissa that Nerissa, you would place a Rhenish wine in the wrong casket, and I believe that he would choose that casket because he loves that wine. I know he will choose it. I will do anything, Nerissa, before I will be married to a sponge. Sponge माने महापियक्कड़, a big drunkard. So Portia is saying that I can do anything to get rid of him, anything, but I'm not going to marry that drunkard person. Obviously, who is going to marry such a drunkard? Now you see, Narissa is there. Narissa is now giving a good news to Portia. You need not fear, lady. The having any of these lords, they have acquainted me with their determination. So Narissa is informing Portia that you need not to worry about all these things, and because they have already informed me about their decisions. उन लोगों ने मुझे पहले ही बता दिया है उनके डिसीजंस के बारे में, और ये क्या डिसीजंस है नरिसा बता रही है. विच इज़ इंडीड टू रिटर्न टू देयर होम एंड टू ट्रबल यू विथ नो मोर स्वीट अनलेस यू मे बी वोन बाय सम अदर सॉर्ट देन योर फादर्स imposition depending on the caskets. So here Narissa is saying that they are not going to marry you by following the instructions set by your father. If you can be obtained by some other way, then they are ready. At this, Portia is saying, I will live to be as old as Sibylla. यहाँ पे सिबिला एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो काफ़ी एज तक वो ज़िंदा रही थी. She lived a long span of life. So Portia is taking her example, and she is saying, if I have to be as old as Sibylla, then I'm ready to lead my life in such a way without marrying. Will die as chaste as Dinah, and I'm ready to die without marrying anyone like Dinah. But I'm not going to disobey my father's will. I can be only obtained by just following my father wills. आगे देखते हैं क्या कहती है. I'm glad these parcel poets are so reasonable. Portia is very happy at their decisions, for there is not one among them but I dote on his very absence. Portia is saying there is no one here whom I would like to stop here. यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा है ही नहीं जिसको हम चाहेंगे कि हम रोकें यहाँ पे. And I pray God grant them a fair departure. And I request God, or I am praying God that God should grant them a very safe departure from here. Now Nerissa is reminding Portia of some other person. Do you not remember, lady, in your father's time a Venetian? क्या आपको नहीं पता है जब आपके पिता जिंदा थे तब एक Venetian, it means a person from Venice, a scholar and a soldiers. It means here Nerissa is referring Bassanio, that came hither in company of Marquess of Montferrat. Marquess मतलब भी वो लॉर्ड्स का ही वो डेजिग्नेशन होता है. लॉर्ड्स माने नोबल्स, इन सब को इन नाम से बुलाया जाता है. तो बोलता मोनफेराट के जो नोबल मैन था उसके साथ आया था वो इंसान. तो यहाँ पे आप सबको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि Nerissa is adding intentionally these qualities, a scholar and a soldiers. As we know it well that neither Bassanio was soldier nor a scholar, but to please Portia she is doing that. आपको पता है कि एक स्कॉलर, एक सोल्जर्स जैसा इंसान आया था यहाँ पे उस मोनफेराट के नोबल के साथ. तब पोर्शिया को कुछ याद आता. यस इट वाज बेसानियो. हाँ ये वो बेसानियो था. एज आई थिंक ही वाज सो कॉल्ड. आई थिंक दैट वाज हिज नेम. True, madam, he of all the men that ever my foolish eyes looked upon, he was the only man whom I looked with an impression, being impressed. तो यहाँ पे नरिसा कहती है कि वही एक इंसान था जिससे मैं इम्प्रेस हुई थी. And was the best deserving a fair lady. And I think he is the person who deserves a lady like you are. I remember him well, and I remember him worthy of thy praise. Yes, I have remembered him, and I believe that he deserves your praising words. पोर्शिया कहती है कि वो तुम्हारे इस तारीफ़ के लायक भी है. आगे देखते हैं. How now? What news? The four strangers seek for you. यहाँ पर एक सर्वेंट आया है, वो पूछता है पोर्शिया को, फोर स्ट्रेंजर्स आपको खोज रहे हैं मैडम, टू टेक देयर लीव, दे वांट टू से यू गुड बाय, एंड देयर इज ए फोर रनर कम फ्रॉम अ फिफ्थ, एंड देयर इज ए मैसेंजर हु has been sent by fifth suitors, the prince of Morocco, and that upcoming prince is from Morocco, who brings word the prince, his master, will be here tonight, and that messenger is saying that his master will reach here tonight. If I could bid the fifth welcome with so good a heart as I can bid the other four farewell. तो यहाँ पोर्शिया कहती है, काश मैं इस पांचवे को भी उतने ही खुशी से वेलकम करती जितनी खुशी से मैं इन चारों को विदा कर रही हूँ. She is wishing that I can have that much of pleasure to welcome the fifth one, the pleasure which I am having to send these four suitors out of my house. I should be glad of his approach if he have the condition of a saint and the complexion of a devil. I'm going to like his approach or arrival only one condition, if he is a priest and his complexion is like dark. Devil means his complexion should be dark. I had rather he should shrive me than wipe me. In that case, I would want him that he should listen to my confess rather than marrying me. और इस केस में मैं चाहूँगी कि वो प्रिस्ट के जैसा काम करे. प्रिस्ट का जो काम होता है, हमारे जो अपराध होते हैं, पाप होते हैं, वो हम जो कन्फेस करते हैं वो सुनना, ना ही वो मुझसे शादी के लिए कोई बात करे. पोर्शिया ये चाहती है. कम नेरिसा सिरा, गो before, while we shut the gate upon one or another knocks at the door. And what is happening? We are shutting the door, but another, at the next time, the another wooer is coming, the another suitor is coming. So here Portia is expressing her boredom, her relentlessness, her disliking about this coming and going of these suitors. So here I am ending the Act 1 Scene 2. I hope you all might have understood it very well. If you have got any problem, then please comment me on the comment section so that I can clear it out. Thank you.